Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. My name is Vedant and in today's video we are going to learn how to make this jute jar over here. So first it was a glass jar which we converted into a jute jar, and while working with a glass jar you have to be careful or else it will break and you know what will happen. So to make this jute jar you will be requiring these materials. So guys, now first to begin with our jute bottle, first we will take our glass jar in, and we have to be a little bit careful with this jar so it does not falls and breaks. Now the next thing what are we going to do is we are going to take some glue and a jute thread in. Now we will keep this jute thread on a side and we will apply some glue on this bottle. So guys, now I have applied some glue over here on the top of our jar, and now I have not applied glue over here as well, because the one jar which I made for the sample was over here. I have applied something different over here which would enhance our jute bottle, and now as I have applied some glue over here, we will take our jute thread in and we will slowly place it over here. And once you do that, we will just roll it all across this first part of glue where we laid it. So as you can see, I have applied the jute thread over the part which I have applied the glue. Now I am going to apply more glue over here and we are going to wrap the jute thread all around it. So first let's do that. So guys, now we have applied some more of this glue over here. Now we are just going to wrap this jute thread all over it. Now I have completed this much part of our jar. Now we will apply some more glue and complete our jar till our jute thread is over. And once our jute thread is over, I'll tell you what to do next. So let's continue sticking this thread onto our jar. So guys, now the one bunch of jute thread which I used in the first for our jar has been over, and the one bunch could only fill up more than half of it. So I have one more of it which I'm going to put approximately till here, and after that we are going to apply some jute strips which would look nice on our jar. So first let's continue sticking these jute threads all the way till here. So guys, now we have completed sticking all of these jute threads. Now let's cut it over from here. So guys, now we have covered this with jute thread, and now the next thing what are we going to do is I have these jute strips which I have cut out from a jute bag. The thing what I'm going to do now is optional. You can put more of these jute threads over here and over here as well, but I have these jute strips, so I'm going to stick one strip over here like this, which will look nice over here like this, and one strip I'm going to stick it at the bottom. Now instead of this, you can continue sticking these threads all over here and over here as well, so that it gets a nice look. And apart from these strips, I have cut 4 of these flowers as well, because our bottle has 4 of these sides, and I'm going to attach 4 of these flowers on each of its side. So let's continue sticking this strip over here, and I have made one more strip for here. So first let's stick both of these over here and over here. So I have applied glue on the top over here. Now let's stick this strip. So now I have stick this jute strip over here, as you can see. Now we are going to stick it at the bottom. So now let's stick this jute strip on the bottom as well. So guys, now I have sticked this strip over here as well, and as you can see, I messed up a little bit over here, and to fix that I have one thing. So I have made this leaf over here with the same material which we used to make these strips over here as well, which I'm going to stick over here so that this thing hides up. So let's stick it over here first.
A few moments later.
So guys, now I have sticked it over here, and it would take a little time to stick properly, and it would get in shape properly when it sticks. And now the next thing what are we going to do is, so these are these 4 flowers which I'm going to stick on 4 of its sides, and on that I'm also going to stick some of these flowers over here, and 4 of these balls which I'm going to stick in between of these flowers. Now you may remember these small flowers. In the last video I also used these flowers in our sacred lotus flower. You can see it like over here. I have sticked them, and if you haven't checked this sacred lotus flower video yet, I'll give the link in the description, you can check it. But now coming towards our flowers, I'm going to put one of it on every flower I made, and we are going to stick these flowers on this bottle. So first let's do that.
A few inches later.
So guys, now I have sticked these 4 flowers on top of our jute flowers, and now we are going to stick these jute flowers on top of our jar which we made. So first let's stick these flowers onto our jar.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So guys, now our bottle is finally ready. As you can see, I have attached these 4 flowers on our bottle. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I have also attached some mirrors over here on the corners and up over here also, and our jute jar is finally ready. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like it and share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.